Welcome to the course of Microwave Engineering. In today's class, we are going to learn about propagation of TE waves in a rectangular waveguide. As we already studied, TE wave is nothing but transverse electric wave. That means our electric field in a waveguide is perpendicular towards the direction of propagation. That means in this case, in this TE wave, the magnetic field will be traveling along the z direction, which is nothing but through the waveguide, and the electric field will be trying to move outside of the waveguide. So the TE mode in a rectangular waveguide are characterized by Ez equal to 0. That means as it is moving away from the waveguide, electric field at z direction will be 0 and the magnetic field along the z direction will not equal to 0. Okay, that means it is traveling towards the waveguide. The wave equation, it is given by Helmholtz. It is also called as Helmholtz theory. So the wave equation, which is an Helmholtz equation for TE wave, is given by delta square H z is equal to minus omega square mu epsilon Hz. We have several conditions in microwave transmission lines. If you are thorough with EMTL subject, you will be able to know all these equations. Otherwise, you need to remember them. Since delta square Hz is equal to dou square Hz by dou x square plus dou square Hz by dou y square plus dou square Hz by dou z square. Okay, just substitute that one in the above equation. So dou square Hz by dou x square plus dou square Hz by dou y square plus dou square Hz by dou z square equal to minus omega square mu epsilon Hz. This is the equation after substituting. Here we have another condition. Since dou square by dou z square is equal to gamma square, substitute that value in the above equation. So what it becomes? Dou square Hz by dou x square plus dou square Hz by dou y square plus, okay, we need to substitute the value in this. Okay, so gamma square, which is Hz, equal to minus omega square mu epsilon Hz. Okay, now bring this whole value to the left hand side. Okay, so what it becomes? Dou square Hz by dou x square plus dou square Hz by dou y square plus gamma square Hz plus omega square mu epsilon Hz equal to 0. We have just brought the value to the left side. Now take Hz common. Dou square Hz by dou x square plus dou square hz by dou y square. We need to take the hz common here. Hz into gamma square plus omega square mu epsilon equal to 0. Simple. This can be considered as equation 1. Now we have another condition, gamma square plus omega square mu epsilon is equal to h square. Okay, substitute this condition in the equation number 1. So dou square hz by dou x square plus dou square hz by dou y square plus h square hz. Okay, we have just substituted this value, which is equal to 0. This is a partial differential equation where solution can be assumed. Okay, assume a solution hz equal to capital X and capital Y. Okay, where x is a pure function of x only, y capital Y is a pure function of y only. Therefore, substitute hz equal to xy in the above equation. Okay, wherever hz is there, just substitute capital X and capital Y. This is the equation where we need to substitute xy in the place of hz. So what it becomes, dou square xy by dou x square plus dou square xy by dou y square plus h square xy equal to 0. We have just substituted capital X, capital Y in the place of hz. Now dou square xy by dou x square plus dou square xy by dou y square plus h square xy equal to 0. This was the equation after substituting. Okay, now bring the y term outside. Capital Y into dou square x by dou x square plus bring the x term outward, x into dou square y by dou y square plus h square xy equal to 0. Okay, now in order to get some x and y terms, okay, we need to divide the above equation with x and y. So what we are doing, we are just dividing this expression with capital X and capital Y in order to get xy terms. Okay, so y into dou square x by dou x square capital XY plus x into dou square y by dou y square into capital XY plus h square xy by xy equal to 0. Okay, now cancel the y terms and cancel x terms here and cancel xy terms. Write down the left out. Okay, so what is left here? 1 by x into dou square x by dou x square plus 1 by y into dou square y by dou y square plus h square equal to 0. This can be equation 2. Okay, so if you see here, we have got pure x and y terms. Okay, here 1 by x into dou square x by dou x square is a pure function of x only. Okay, and next one is 1 by y into dou square y by dou y square is a pure function of y only. Therefore, equation of above function to constant we get. So if you equate the above function with respect to the constant, okay, we get 1 by x into dou square x by dou x square is equal to minus b square, 1 by y into dou square y by dou y square equal to minus a square. We need to substitute minus b square and minus a square in the above equation or the function. Okay, these two are the constants. Now, from the equation 2, 1 by x into dou square x by dou x square plus 1 by y into dou square y by dou y square plus h square is equal to 0. This was our equation 2. Now substitute the constants. This becomes minus b square and this becomes minus a square. Okay, let's substitute that. So therefore minus b square minus a square plus h square equal to 0. Okay, now minus b square minus a square equal to minus h square. We can also write like this. Okay, take minus as common. Minus of a square plus b square equal to minus h square. Cancel both the negatives. Minus minus cancel. H square equal to a square plus b square. Now solving x and y by separation of variables method. Okay, we get x equal to c1 cos bx plus c2 sin bx, y equal to c3 cos ay plus c4 sin ay. These are the two with respect to x and y terms using separation of variable method. Okay, now we have a condition. Since hz is equal to capital X and capital Y, okay, now hz can be written as c1 cos bx plus c2 sin bx into c3 cos ay plus c4 sin ay. Okay, this is the equation we get with respect to the magnetic field traveling in the waveguide. Okay, this is with respect to x and y terms. Okay, where c1, c2, c3, c4 are constants by boundary conditions. Boundary conditions here indicates waveguide boundary conditions.